What's going on, everybody? I've got the battery box installed. I'm test fitting the back panels. Um, but what I want to do today is I'm actually going to install these some side marker lights here on the side of the bike. These are for I think a BMW SR. I can't remember the model number, but I got these from a well-known website. But anyway, what I want to do is test fit these turn signal stop lights to the side of the bike here, side of the panels. Um, I don't want to come too high up because I don't have enough room here, real estate. So what I want to do is move it a little bit further down, find a nice middle spot to sit these. Um, and basically these will serve as some additional stop lights, warning lights for turn signals and stuff like that. So I'm gonna cut out a template, find a nice area to cut out on this panel, and then we should be good to go on this. We'll get everything fitted up, and then we'll come back for an update. But so far, so good. Looking real good. Bike's looking good so far. So far, so good. Just a quick walk around. Custom seat covers. Almost there. We're almost finished, y'all. Peace.